we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to pronounce more interesting yet unclear words in English. In British English, because the pronunciation is different. In American English, this is said in British English as honored, although in British English it would be spelled with OU in the middle, honored. In American English, however, it is said as honored, honored. The H is silent, of course. Honored in American English versus honored in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.